Welcome to the 2025 translocation, which is being done by the Sustainable Wildlife Management Program. We are moving these animals to the Mucheni Community Conservancy in Binga. This conservancy was created to restore wildlife populations, reduce human-wildlife conflict, and give communities new opportunities for tourism and sustainable use. By bringing animals back here, we are helping nature recover and helping people improve their livelihoods.
Wildlife translocation is the deliberate process of capturing and moving animals from one location to another, usually to restore populations, enhance genetic diversity, or support conservation efforts. In Zimbabwe, this effort is restoring balance in the newly established Mucheni Community Conservancy, where wildlife had declined due to drought and poaching. This translocation initiative aims to restore wildlife and ecosystem balance and to support people, nature, and livelihood.
We are going to do some sampling where we are going to collect blood, fecal samples and ticks. We are also going to take them with GPS ear tags so that we can track the movement and distribution of these animals once they are released. We have different people that we have in our team. We've got people from ZimParks and also from Binga RDC, which is the local authority where we are going to be doing the transportation. We also have our colleagues from CIFOR vet doctors who are going to be collecting samples. Now we are preparing to travel to Binga. It's about 500 kilometers from where we are. The animals are in the boma for a period of 2 weeks so that they can adapt to their new environment. After that, we are going to do continuous monitoring of the animals to see their distribution in the conservancy and also their health.
This will help us also to boost our wildlife through ecotourism and also boosting numbers in our part of consumptive tourism.
This program will help a lot to the community. I think the livelihoods of the people living adjacent to the conservancy will improve, and also the animal populations in the conservancy will also improve.
We have get high human-wildlife conflict, so ecologically is going to help the likes of lions and leopards to get their own prey rather than going to attack our livestock.